Hello my friends, this is Noah with Learn Meta-Analysis and welcome back to the channel. I had some free time this weekend, so I decided to update the AI-assisted data extraction software for you. And I made what I think is a pretty huge quality of life improvement. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you this. Long story short, I'm using a Mistral API key here. I'm just gonna pick a model and pick my coding form. It's just a really simple form just for showing you the example here. And long story short, what we're going to do is we now have source highlighting actually working in the PDF itself. So when we hit Analyze PDF, it's going to send that off. It's going to come back with our response. We hit Source, and it now highlights in the paper that information for us. And so I'm going to click this one, and you can see it works there as well. Now, the other thing is this will actually carry over into the full preview. So if you click Open here in New Window, all right, so this is what this looks like in the full screen preview. You can see it has the highlighted section there. I'm gonna go ahead and click the other one for you, and you can see it clicks highlights there as well. So this is a nice new feature. I think it'll save us a bunch of time and energy. So instead of just jumping to the page, we can now actually see where it's highlighted on screen. This was something pretty much the last thing that the our version had that the web version didn't. The web version now has this, so I'm probably going to completely get rid of the R version because this now has all the same features, if not better features, than the version that exists on R. If there's anything else you want to see added to this software, please just give me a shout in the comments. Otherwise, I hope this is helpful for you all, and I will see you all in the next video.